Joshua G and the Owen channel, and we're doing stuff. And this is the Christmas thing. It's not Christmas! Yeah, but it's not Christmas yet. Hey, look, it's back!
I saw it.
Everyone Santa's back.
You can see a red dot here.
It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. And I'm making people think it's Santa. It's Santa! See?
Oh no!
The drone's back.
Oh my god, that's perfect.
It's a drone. So guys, this is Joshua G and the Owen channel. If you don't know the Owen channel, go look at it. It's cool. And I've done animation videos on it. So go check that out. But in the meantime, there's a drone. So as you can see, there's a drone. It's cool. But still, forget about the drone. And think more about the Christmas tree and the music. So yeah, this is going to be a YouTube. So yeah, so it looks really cool, but eventually it will change into something else. It could be. Oh no, it's gone. So yeah, it will turn into something else. So the Christmas tree will just change colours. You see, it will change colours. We were here last year. Oh look, the drone's back. The drone's back! I like the drone. It's the drone!
Spotlights are flying everywhere. You can't
It's
see.
a drone!
But in real life, you can see from there.
Pizzas! Usually when people are counting down from 5 or something, I say pizza for some reason.
1,
Pizza or chips or something.
4.
I don't know, I just say
There's the droney thing that's filming us.
the drone! Oh look, it blinked! It was like, maybe it's Santa.
There's the droney thing
Maybe it's
that's
gonna drop
filming us.
presents.
Imagine if it does drop.
That'd be funny if things just drop.
Do not knock me, please.
Yeah, but that's probably a drone. It's probably recording. It's probably recording the tree live on the news.
Doing a plane. Yeah, well, it's telling
Hey, that's probably how they they probably do it with a joy. A joy. A joy.
Christmas on the
A joy.
water. Looks amazing.
So yeah, guys. So it's pretty cool, but it will change eventually.
people move.
So it keeps changing colours, and Dad's also doing a video.
Lovely.
Or
Oh,
Dad
the joy.
Wilson just a few seconds later than I want to do a video. So yeah, this is a very
I don't want you to
cool
knock it.
video, guys. So I think this is going to be a YouTube video. I'm actually not entirely sure, but if Josh does make it into a YouTube video, yay! So this is the Owen channel.
Because it's awesome. Especially
Yeah, you
with the
see what
flashy
Josh said.
lights.
My channel's awesome.
Flashy, flashy, flashy. Flashy,
So,
flashy, flashy, flashy,
so have you given shout outs to people?
Yes.
So I'll give shout outs. So guys, I should give some shout outs to some of my friends, and then Josh can give some to his. So first of all, shout out for my friend Gracious, who's Gracious who's cool, and I think watches Josh's videos. And also
Correctamundo.
Phil and Finn, who are cool, and yeah, they're cool. They're like Robert for some reason.
And Leifa.
And also to Leaf.
Leif.
Shout out to Leaf. He's cool. Follow Batcat Gabby Garden. Shout out to that drone over there. He's cool.
Drone that's filming us, that red dot that you
Yo!
can see.
Yeah. Also to everyone that is here right now, and also the people
Pink
that
and
made
yellow,
that
blue
Christmas
and
tree.
pink. and purple
And
and
also shout out to everyone
Gridgel. No,
Watch
not
it.
Gridgel.
because
Blue.
everyone watching is
No, not
really cool. Like,
Mm.
I don't know if Noah might be watching. Maybe Noah.
Noah who? Sterling.
Noah Sterling might be watching.
Alright, this has gone long enough. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later.
Bye! Yeah! That's entertainment! Oh yeah! So hi guys, this is Joshua G and the Owen channel, and we're doing stuff. And this is the Christmas thing. It's not Christmas! Yeah, but it's not Christmas yet. Hey, look, it's back!
I saw it.
Everyone Santa's back.
You can see a red dot
It's
here.
a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. And I'm making people think it's Santa. It's Santa! See? The joke's back.
Oh my god, that's perfect.
It's a joke. So guys, this is Joshua G and the Owen channel. If you don't know the Owen channel, go look at it. It's cool. And I've done animation videos on it. So go check that out. But in the meantime,